the Goobers.
Alright, bro. Who you calling shot? Let's go. Let's go. Bitch ass motherfucker. Got glasses, bro. Fuck them, bro. Fuck the Goopy Goobers, bro.
What's up, Goobers? So, recently, we've received word once again of where we can find Cartoon Cat. So, you know, we've heard he's up to some sneaky, you know, cartoony stuff. We're gonna go check the location where he's at, see if we can catch him and maybe get some information on Jeff. Alright, we'll see you Goobers there. Alright, Goobers, so we finally arrived to the location where Cartoon Cat is believed to be.
So, if you look at our last video, when Jeff pops out the garage, you can actually see Cartoon Cat in there.
Oh, is that Cartoon?
I swear that's Cartoon Cat.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, we're just gonna, you know, see if we can find him and hopefully we don't get scratched.
Cartoon Cat's a bitch.
Yo, bro, do you think he's in here?
Bro, it doesn't matter. We can't even get in.
I mean, would it make sense for him to lock all the doors if he was doing a deal in here?
It doesn't matter if he's in there. We're still wasting our time here.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. Wait, bro, you're calling him he, but aren't cats pussies?
Bro, he's not even a real cat. He's a cartoon.
Bro, this garden's like a maze.
Honestly.
Goobers, where do you think we'll find him?
Fucking, I don't know.
Leave a comment. Leave a comment where we'll
Hopefully not around one of these corners to jump scare us.
Dude, what do you think happened here? You think Cartoon Cat like thrashed the place?
I mean, it seems like it. He might just be gardening. Might be into that.
At the end of the day, he might just be gardening.
Yeah, might just be a hobby. But, you know, we're suspecting more heinous things.
Expecting something more, something sinister,
Yeah.
something dark. I can already feel the darkness again.
Darkness
Getting
incarnate.
chills. Yeah,
Honestly,
darkness incarnate.
yeah.
I'm getting chills.
Honestly. Is that Goobers? Let me zoom in for y'all.
Is that a cat or a cartoon?
No, that's not a cat. No, it's not.
Is
It's
it
okay.
a cartoon then?
No, it's a. Yeah, it's a cartoon.
Dude, alright, Goopy Goobers, I think our only option.
I mean, if I was a cartoon and I was evil, I'd definitely be up to something.
Be over here.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Let's go?
we'll see you Goobers on the other side.
Alright.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I don't know. Think it was him?
Let's find out.
Oh, fuck. Is that Jeff?
Do you have what I came here for?
I have it right here. Not until I get what I came here for.
Sulfur?
Yes.
Who do you even need this for?
That is none of your business. Let's just make the deal and be on our way. Okay, make it quick. Oh yeah, the guys who interrupted our last deal, right? Yeah, I know a bit about their cameraman.
Before I give you the sulfur, I need you to tell me everything you know about sulfur.
Fuck the Goopy Goobers with their bitch ass channel. I wanna be SpongeBob ass name. That fucking guy named Henry, he's a bitch. He gets no bitches because he wears a stupid ass Hawaiian shirt. Dude, Patrick, you fucking hides your shit. Fuck got glasses, bro. Fuck them, bro. Fuck the Goopy Goobers, bro.
Look, I really don't care about your payment. If you want information, that'll be a separate payment.
And the deals?
Don't play with me. You need this blood real bad.
One more thing to ask you though.
What? Meow for me? Meow.
Alright, bro. Who you calling shot? Oh shit! Oh shit, bro! What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck do we do? Shit. Patrick, let's go! Let's go! I'm gonna fucking kill you!
Bro, I see what they're doing. On 3, we're both gonna shoot at Cartoon Cat.
Alright, bro, I got you.
3, 2, Extinction!
Cartoon Cat, help me!
Bro thinks he's in a video game? Dead ass. We'll reload. Hey, let's move in before he revives Jeff. He's getting away! Bro, I think I heard something.
Well, over here? I think I heard it too.
I think so. Let's look around.
You might be nearby.
Yeah. We gotta find him. To the Goobers.
For real.
I hear him. I hear that too. Be on the alert. I see him! Go! Oh shit! Get him! Henry! No! Henry! No! I'm not gonna make it. Go on without me, bro. Tell the Goobers I love them. For the Goobers!
Whatever the weather.
I guess I'll do it myself then. Fuck! I'll make it fair.
Alright, Jeff. I'm gonna give it to you.
Oh shit, Slenderman!
Oh shit. You did it.
Yeah, I got you. Don't worry.
Bro, is that a mask? Dude, Chibo, I can't believe you fell for that shit, man. You're actually dumb as fuck.
I'm not Chibo. I'm Jeff the killer.
You're not even a killer, man. Who have you even killed?
Killed a lot of people. And you guys are next.
Bro, Stop talking shit, bro. You're lucky we aren't dancing on you right now.
Dead ass.
Soon I'll be dancing on your graves. Just you wait, Goobers.
Fuck?
Hell, there we go. You know what? Fuck it.
Fuck it?
Yeah, let's flick up on this motherfucker. Yeah, let's get a flick on this motherfucker. Yeah. Hold on.
Alright, well, if Chibo won't speak to us, I'm just gonna have to get him out of you.
He's inside me?
Yeah, you can say that.
You're not gonna find him. Once Jeff is here, Jeff.
Alright, Goobers. Thank you guys for watching the video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like. Leave a comment on what you guys want to see. Shut up, bro. Turn on post notifications. Subscribe. We're on the way to 500 subscribers. Let's see if we can hit it. It's a big goal. And put Goop all over that subscribe button.